everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing east facing 2 BHK house plan of plot size 64 feet by 72 feet. The plot area is about 4,463 square feet and the built up area is 1000 square feet. This house is perfectly designed using traditional Vastu Shastra rules to bring health, wealth and positive energy to your family. Let's look at the simple room by room Vastu details. Here is our detailed plan, you can see here. The main entrance, the road is on the east and the main entrance is of size 6 feet by 5 feet 6 inches. Faces the east direction. In Vastu, the east facing door is highly lucky because it welcomes the morning sunlight and brings fresh positive energy into the house. In exterior, we have a comfortable sit out of size 16 feet by 7 feet. You can see at the front, and the exterior staircase in south or southeast. The staircase is kept completely external on the southern side, leading from the front. According to Vastu, the heavy structures like staircase are best placed in the south, west, or southwest to maintain the energetic balance and keep the north and east lighter. So we kept here, and coming to the plan. Inside the house, we have our puja room of size 5 feet by 5 feet. Right near the entrance on the east side is dedicated puja space. Praying in the east direction is considered very pure and connects the home with divine energy. And the flat one, the hall or living area is measuring 11 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 3 inches. We have provided sofa location over here. Opposite to that, we have our TV showcase. The living room is placed at the front of the house. It is spacious and bright, making it the perfect welcoming spot for guests and family gathering. And coming to the kitchen, according to Vastu, the fire element, that is Agni, belongs in the southeast corner. This plan perfectly places the kitchen in the southeast, ensuring good health and prosperity of the family. And the kitchen is measuring 11 feet 9 inches by 11 feet. And we have our stove location over here and the water sink in the northeast of the room. Northeast is the water zone and we kept northeast as a water sink. The kitchen is also featured with a connected utility space measuring 11 feet 9 inches by 5 feet. It is for washing and storage. And coming to the master bedroom, here the master bedroom is located exactly in the southwest, that is Nairitya corner. Vastu science says the head of the family should sleep in the southwest to bring stability, strength, and peace of mind. Um, this bedroom is measured with 11 feet 9 inches by 11 feet 6 inches. And we have our wardrobe in the west and our bed sleeping position in the south. As per Vastu, the bed sleeping position can kept south will bring good sleep, and the wardrobe in the west brings more wealth. And this master bedroom is provided with attached toilet measuring 6 feet 6 inches by 5 feet. And here the commode is pointing towards north. Usually it should be pointed towards north or south, and here we kept towards north. And coming to the kids' bedroom, the kids' bedroom is measured with 11 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 6 inches. And it is placed in the northwest corner, that is Vayu corner. This bedroom is ideal for children or guests. The northwest direction supports movement and growth, making it great spot for kids. This room is also includes its own attached toilet of size 6 feet 6 inches by 5 feet. Here the commode is pointing towards south direction, either north or south. We should keep like that. And in the master bedroom we kept towards north, and here we kept towards south. And the center living space, I have to mention that this is Brahmastan, and it acts as a primary activity zones, keeping the central portion of the house, that is Brahmastan, relatively open and clutter-free. In Vastu, the Brahmastan is the energetic core of the house, keeping it unobstructed, allow positive vibration to radiate seamlessly into all the other zones, like other padas, and it's suitable for here. And these are the overall plan. And by concluding that here in this plan, uh, we have so many positive points that from the southeast kitchen to the southwest master bedroom is exactly where it should be by perfectly aligning Jala, that is water, in the northeast, Agni in the southeast, and Prithvi, earth, in the southwest, and Vayu, that is air, in the northwest. This 1,000 square feet layout is flawless example of a balanced Vastu home, and there is a plenty of open space around the house for excellent cross ventilation and natural lighting. You can get more plans on our website, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planist, and Designist apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 290 632 to join. Thank you.